Question number 1.
He always TV in the evening. A. Watch. B. Watches. C. Watched.
Question number 2.
They the project before the deadline. A. Had finished. B. Finishing. C. Has finished.
Question number 3.
I go to the gym every morning. A. Used to. B. Used to. C. Using.
Question number 4.
I'm looking forward. Your reply. A. To. B. For. C. At.
Question number 5.
What is the antonym of polite? A. Rude. B. Kind. C. Calm.
Question number 6.
Neither of the boys playing. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were.
Question number 7.
They arrived noon. A. In. B. At. C. On.
Question number 8.
The plane took at 7 p.m. A. In. B. On. C. Off.
Question number 9.
My shoes are the bed. A. Under. B. On. C. Behind.
Question number 10.
You obey your parents. A. Must. Be. Could. See. May.
Question number 11.
He was punished. His behavior. A. For. B. With. C. By.
Question number 12.
Hit the sack means, A. Go to sleep. B. Get angry. C. Exercise.
Question number 13.
He has never Paris. A. Visited. B. Visit. C. Visiting.
Question number 14.
There isn't water in the bottle. A. Many. B. Some. C. Any.
Question number 15.
The teacher asked me quiet. A. B. B. To. Be. C. Being.
Question number 16.
What is the plural of goose? A. Gooses. B. Geese. C. Goosen.
Question number 17.
They will reach the station 6 p.m. A. In. B. At. C. On.
Question number 18.
I can't find my keys. I must have dashed them. A. Lost. B. Lose. C. Losing.
Question number 19.
The food smells dash. A. Delicious. B. Deliciously. C. Well.
Question number 20.
He told me he dash busy. A. Is. B. Was. C. Has.
Question number 21.
Dash you like some tea? A. Could. B. Would. C. Do.
Question number 22.
What is the synonym of begin? A. Close. B. Start. C. Stop.
Question number 23.
If I dash a car, I would drive to work. A. Has. B. Have. C. Had.
Question number 24.
Don't worry, everything will be dash. A. Fine. B. Finely. C. Goodly.
Question number 25.
The test was dash easy than expected. A. More. B. Most. C. Much.
Question number 26.
He was too tired dash continue. A. To. B. For. C. Of.
Question number 27.
Which is correct? A. I am agree. B. I agreeing. C. I agree.
Question number 28.
She is the dash of the two sisters. A. Tall. B. Taller. C. Tallest.
Question number 29.
Let me explain the reason dash my absence. A. Of. B. For. C. 2.
Question number 30.
The exam is scheduled dash Monday. A. On. B. In. C. At.
Question number 31.
The manager is angry. The mistake. A. On. B. At. C. With.
Question number 32.
Which sentence is correct? A. He don't like it. B. He doesn't likes it. C. He doesn't like it.
Question number 33.
What is the opposite of strong? A. Weak. B. Rough. C. Hard.
Question number 34.
That's the boy won the race. A. Which. B. Who. C. Whose.
Question number 35.
She tea to coffee. A. Prefer. B. Prefers. C. Preferred.
Question number 36.
I haven't met him last year. A. Since. B. From. C. For.
Question number 37.
He was accused cheating. A. For. B. Of. C. On.
Question number 38.
The meeting was postponed next week. A. Till. B. Until. C. 2.
Question number 39.
The boy was crying because he his toy. A. Lost. B. Had lost. C. Lose.
Question number 40.
Once in a blue moon means A. Very often. B. Rarely. C. Every day.
Question number 41.
The baby is sleeping, so speak A. Quiet. B. Quietly. C. Silently.
Question number 42.
How many players in a football team? A. Is. B. Are. C. Have.
Question number 43.
The glass is full water. A. With. B. Of. C. By.
Question number 44.
I will call you when I home. A. Get. B. Will get. C. Got.
Question number 45.
He a car last year. A. By. B. Buys. C. Bought.
Question number 46.
Please switch the fan. A. Up. B. On. C. 2.
Question number 47.
His explanation was not to understand. A. Easy. B. Easily. C. Ease.
Question number 48.
She French perfectly. A. Speaks. B. Speak. C. Spoke.
Question number 49.
We were the way to the cinema. A. On. B. In. C. At.
Question number 50.
The room was cleaned the maid. A. By. B. From. C. 2.
How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Share this quiz with your friends' family. Let them test their English skills too. Like, share, subscribe for more quiz.